Good morning, sweet friends, and welcome back to another video. So today is the day. Yes, it's actually spring and it's snowing today. But that is typical weather here in Northeast Ohio. It was 70 last week, snowing today. But that is not gonna stop me, and Archie knows I'm filming. You guys gotta be used to this. Come here, buddy. Come here. Okay, this. But that's not gonna stop me today from doing something I've been very excited about, and that is finishing getting the things that I need for my garden. And so I'm gonna head out today to a local nursery, and I might even stop at Lowe's, I'm not sure, and finish getting what I need. I'm deciding I'm gonna add more vegetables. At first, I only bought a few packets like I shared in my video probably about a month ago, but I'm feeling like, well, if I want to do this, I'm just going to go full force with it. So we're going to go get some more seeds. I'm also going to pick up some seeds for planting some flowers and getting all that together. And it's going to be a fun day. It's going to be cold and snowy, but we're going to think of sunshine and spring and blooms. That is the vision I'm going with today. So I'm gonna make myself a nice little cozy cup of coffee, and we're gonna head out and spend the day together. What do you think about that, Archie? All right, so I'm here at the nursery, and I've got some flowers out here. You guys see the snow? Isn't this crazy? Okay, let's go and see what we can find. We are very fortunate in this part of the area where we live. There are a lot of local nurseries, so if I can't find something here, I'll just keep driving until I find what I need. Okay, so I ended up getting their germination mix. So I got 2 bags of that. I needed some new garden gloves because mine will look pretty raggedy. Got another dome because I needed one more. So as far as seeds, I ended up picking up, let's see, cilantro and rosemary, cactus of zinnias, and some milkweed. And then I got some more of these trays, 2 of them, and another base. I ran inside Barnes & Noble, and I love the Bella Grace magazines. If you guys have followed me for a while now, you know how much I do. So anyway, they have a In Her Garden magazine, and there's so many great ideas in here. So I can't wait to go through this. And then I picked up I had to, okay? I wanted this to match my garden planner. So when I'm out there gardening, it looks super cute. Look, the Rifle Paper Company. It's a corksicle, so I can either put my iced tea and stuff like that in the summertime, or my hot coffee or tea in here when I'm out gardening or just sitting out on the patio, which I love to do. So one more stop before we head home. I'm gonna go to a local place that makes their homemade hummus. It's just absolutely fantastic. So I'm gonna go do that, and then we're gonna go home and get all comfy and cozy. It is still snowing, and then we're gonna get ready for my first ever seed sowing, or sowing seeds. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. So I think now the fun part after that is gonna be seeing what actually takes, and I'll, you know, be just taking notes and live and learn, I guess. It's trial and error, but you know, it's just like I always tell people, if you find something you're passionate about and you read enough about it, and you just take that first step, and it's exciting. So who would have thought? Who would have ever thought I have an interest in? That's why I just think it's just fabulous how we can never stop dreaming and finding new hobbies, because who would have thought, right? Friends, I am back home and I'm ready to start sowing my seeds. So I got a cute little setup here. Mark was so sweet. He ordered me a table that fits perfectly here next to our sliding glass doors. So it's gonna get some natural light and some sunshine. It's a little bit warmer over here too, which is great. I got all of my stuff here organized. I've got my containers, I've got my seed book, got my dirt, my gloves, I got it all. So, well, I'm excited. This is the very first time I'm actually going to plant seeds for a garden. So let's get started. I decided that I wanted to create a tranquil atmosphere, and so I lit the one candle that I bought to put out on our patio, and I put on a YouTube channel with beautiful scenery and music. And I know this may sound a little bit crazy to some of you, but when I'm learning something new, I just like it to be calming and relaxing. And I thought, well, for the first time, me planting seeds for a garden, I just wanted to just feel relaxed, and I thought this would be the perfect way to do so. I put my packets where I think I want them to go. So I've got my peppers, tomatoes, rosemary, cilantro, basil, and some scallions. Again, you guys, this is really going to be trial and error for me. I don't know if anything's going to take or it all takes. Who knows? But I'll figure it out once I get some type of germination, which will be so exciting for me. So I'm going to go ahead and start sowing the seeds. For the mere fact I've never done that before, and I'm thinking, gosh, what if not one of them germinates? Oh my goodness. So, but I know it's a trial and error kind of a thing, so we'll see what happens. So I did water underneath, and I think you're supposed to do that for just a little bit of time, and then you remove any excess water, I think. So as I'm doing this, I'm just learning each step. In the meantime, I am starving, so I am going to have one of my Wassa crackers with some hummus and tabbouleh. And then when Mark comes home, we'll have a little bit of dinner. And yeah, seems a little runny, but oh well. Smells delicious. So that is going to be my snack here until Mark gets home. And hold on, let me get a spoon. I love this stuff, but you want to make sure if you're eating it, you look in the mirror before you talk to anybody when you're out and about, to make sure you brush your teeth, because you will have some of this guaranteed in your teeth. But it's so well worth it. Okay, I'm gonna go eat my snack. Check my teeth before I get back on here. And we'll see how the process is going with my first day of sowing. Hi friends, good afternoon. It is the next day, and I woke up this morning just craving a delicious, fresh and crunchy salad. And so I decided I was gonna make my spinach strawberry salad that I actually shared with all of you if you are subscribers of my weekly newsletter. And it's completely free. If you're not, make sure you click on the link in the description section. So I did share this. Look how pretty I made it. All springy and strawberries. So I thought to myself though, you know, not one of these ingredients that I actually plant seeds for. I need to get on some spinach and some red onion. I've never tried, well, I don't even know. How would you do strawberries? I have to look into that. But anyway, we're gonna make this yummy, delicious salad together. And so let me share with you what is all in it. Obviously, spinach. And we got some feta, and I love, love, love red onion, and of course some salt and pepper, and some balsamic vinegar and some olive oil. And we're gonna add, of course, poppy seeds into the dressing. I love this dressing. Dijon mustard, pecans, strawberries, and some honey. So that's what you need for this recipe. We're gonna go ahead and get it all together, but I don't know what it is. Something about planting everything from my garden just made me really want something fresh and nutritional, and I thought this would be the perfect salad. I have my washed spinach here in the bowl. Now the next step, you're supposed to toast pecans, and friends, I'd rather not. I like to buy these little chips, and these are perfect to me. If you want to go ahead and toast pecans, have at it. So next we're going to do is we're going to slice some onion. Now, as you notice here, I'm going to slice the red onion and put it right into the salad. Now, as the recipe shows, you can absolutely soak it in some water to just get rid of some of the harshness, flavoring of the onion, the harsh bite. But I love red onion, so I don't feel the need to, but you do whatever works best for you. If you are going to be making this for a company, you may want to do it that route just in case someone does not like a strong onion flavor. The best part is sampling it. So I've got some spinach and some feta, some strawberry, some red onion. Now that's a yummy salad. Well, friends, I really enjoyed this video, and for some of you that maybe aren't into gardening or are professionals and thinking, oh my goodness, this is rather boring, I hope not. I just hope that you will really just hang in there with me and enjoy this journey with me. I know if you were starting something new, I'd be the first one there to cheer you on. So I'm hoping you feel the same way with me. And again, give me any of your garden tips that you have. There is an Enhance the Seasons Facebook page, which I hadn't been on much, but I did post something on there asking all of you to give me a garden tip. And I think I only have 2 so far. So yeah, I would love for you to go on to the Facebook page and give me your best tips. And even if you want to here in the comment section. But yeah, this is going to be definitely a fun process. I'm really excited about it. I did get some heating pads to put underneath so to keep my my seedlings nice and warm. And so I did that. So that's all by the back sliding glass doors. Now, you know, of course it's been cloudy the last few days and a little snowy, but there is light coming in, so I hope that works. You know, we'll see. Again, this is all going to be trial and error for me. And then also, this planner has been so wonderful. I have just filled in all my cards of what I planted, when I planted them, and then I can keep sort of like a journal on them. So again, I'm going to have everything linked for all the little gardening things that I talked about in the description section for all of you, because I know these kind of things have always been so helpful to me too. But I wanted to share something with you, and if you guys have already seen my newsletter, you would have seen this, but I feel like it's worth repeating because this really struck with me, and I thought it was just
phenomenal. So I was going through the internet like I always do. I love to read and just look at things that are inspiring and read articles of just all that kind of stuff. And anyway, there was a lady that commented back to one of the articles, and what she wrote was so moving to me that I put it in the newsletter, and I also printed it out and I read it every morning. That's how much it really spoke to me. So if you have seen the newsletter, I'm sorry, this is going to be a little bit repetitive, but if you have not, I just feel this is totally worth repeating. So let me pull up my newsletter. And if you do, just, you know, if you do sign up for the newsletter, again, it is free. So if you sign up, let me see, if you sign up before Friday, then you'll get like Friday's newsletter. So if it's after Friday, then you'll get the following Fridays, if that makes sense to you. So if you sign up and wonder like, where's my newsletter? Just wait till Friday. So I want to read this to you. I want you to take note though, the person that she is talking about in here is a very young opera singer. And when I tell you guys, I'm going to link her YouTube channel of this young opera singer, because the song that this girl Karen mentions is called Imaginer. She sings it, I think it's in French. She is beyond gifted, and it's just such a moving song. So if you were to listen to that song and reread what I am reading to you now, it's just, wow, it's just extremely touching. Mornings to me are a crisp, fresh start to a brand new chapter in my life. Another chance to try and get it right. An adventure into the unknown. Seeing a beautiful multicolored butterfly flutter away inches in front of me as Imaginer opera plays in my mind. Mornings are very magical leaps of faith, wrapped in peace. I can, I will. Well, to Karen Friedman out there, all I can tell you is what you wrote as a comment in the article that I read was truly moving. And it is something that I have been reading every day. And like I said, I printed it out and I may even frame it. So to all of you, my friends, our motto should be, I can, and I will. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.